I'm pumped. Good morning, guys. It's a great day to be on planet Earth. And let's go get this money. Let's go get this Waffle House. Look at this coffee. I ain't even had a sip yet. That first sip feeling, they know. We'll see. What's it gonna taste like? Well, you guys wanna see me drink this? Probably not. I don't care. Just watch. Skip ahead. Yeah, my teeth knocked out. Come here, you. Oh, the lid came off. I can't. Damn. That first sip. Hello? Yes, that was the first sip. Alright guys, we'll see you later. What's good, guys? What's good? Up here at Dr. Dill's house, plastic set up around the gantry crane. I made myself a little wet polishing booth up there so I don't sling black water all over the house. I'm about to go up here and wet polish this concrete coffee table and just let you guys chill on this Friday. It's a beautiful day. Man. I'm just so happy right now. I'm just so happy. I'm back to work with no coronavirus, bruh. Check out my mom and dad when they were little. Concepts, bruh. Concept of a parent. Oh, here he goes. He's about to start talking high nonsense. No. Alright, for real. I'm about to go out here and wet polish this, let you guys watch. Hopefully, drink some margaritas tonight. It's been a hard week. So, alright guys, let's head up there. Alright, got my little wet polishing booth set up, gantry crane. I'm gonna try to get him with a water balloon. I'm gonna fill a glove up and chunk it at his ass. Hold on. Alright guys. Fire pit coffee table's kinda done. I just gotta pick the foam out of the crack still. There's still some foam in there, but it's been wet polished. It's been wet polished, finished wet polishing it. Lots of good character in it. Feels really good. Couldn't be happier. It really looks great, guys. So excited that we got this done with no hiccups. First time ever using a gantry crane. I didn't even know what a gantry crane was until we couldn't get this thing off the casting table. So everything worked out.